Observe. What would you observe? The last question is what would you observe when what would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron 2, added to a solution of iron 2 sulfate, iron 2 sulfate, and write the chemical reaction that takes place. Write the chemical reactions that takes place. So my dear student, it is going to be clear which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal. Write the chemical reaction when iron react with dilute H2O4. This is NCERT question page number 46. When reactive metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute HCl, gives a salt and hydrogen gas. That is the when, and the next question, write the chemical reaction when iron react with dilute SO4, that is Fe plus SO4, that is FeSO4 aqueous plus H2. When iron react with dilute SO4, iron 2 sulfate with the evolution of hydrogen gas is formed. What would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron 2 sulfate? Write the chemical reaction that takes place. Write the chemical reaction that takes place. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Answer is zinc is more reactive than iron. Zinc is more reactive than iron when zinc is added to iron 2. Iron 2 sulfate. Zinc displaces iron from its solution. And zinc sulfate is formed. So my dear student, it is quite clear. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Zinc is more reactive than iron. So when zinc is added to iron 2 sulfate, zinc displaces iron from its solution and zinc sulfate is going to be formed. The reaction is zinc plus H2SO4, zinc S plus H2SO4, that is in the aqueous form. It is going to be zinc sulfate aqueous plus H2 gas. So my dear student, always write H2 gas in the upward reactions. So zinc SO4 plus Fe. This is the zinc react with the displaces hydrogen. Zinc displaces the iron. Zinc plus FeSO4. There is not H2SO4, so I make a mistake here. Zinc react with the FeSO4. That it react and it makes free. It displaces and it makes free zinc plus Fe. So this is all about the question of NCERT. Thank you for watching my video. Share to those students who are very needy and demanding. So my dear student, give more views, likes and share. From November, you must be ready. There is no call, there is no message for any student. So I think so I am not going to teach the perfect way. That's why you are not making a call or WhatsApp number. Message me that I am not going to teach you very well. You are not going to understand my topic. So this is the demand of no student comes to me that sir, I am interested to make the crash course. I am interested to do the crash course. So my student, be ready, be attentive for the crash course. WhatsApp me 9162413917, and that is my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. If you are going to make the crash course for chemistry in 15 to 20 days, 15 days approximately for sorry, 400 questions is there with answers. I am going to solve you, and the fees is only rupees 1000. Fees only 1000. This is, I am going to tell you, the fees is 2000, but I am giving the discount 1000. Those students who comes as fast as they can. So my dear student, this is all about the NCERT question, page number 36, chapter number 3, matters and matter. Thank you for watching my videos.